start. Keep
Wait,
going.
how do you know if it's not?
It's going.
Alright. Oh, you already...
Do it, shake that.
Are you done, Zach? It's all Holly now. Keep going, bitch. Sorry. That was, sorry. So let me tell you the story, Holly. I'm knee deep in this fat chick, right? Turned out to be Aaron.
Oh yeah.
He had a wig.
Pooh Nanny.
Holly, keep going. Come on, girl.
You're supposed to jump the rest of it out.
I'm done. It's like halfway gone. Shut it off.
Oh, dude, I don't like beer.
Yeah, is it still going?
Yes.
Let me see it. Go
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm
look
sorry.
At here, look at the freaking one thing. Look at that shit. I got that shit all over the freaking window.
I know, I see that.
You're still recording, dude.
I know.